We'll guide you through how to create ink splash effect in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your browser inside your device. Go to the search bar and search for Ink Splash Overlay Free, then press Enter to perform the search. After the search results appear, scroll down through the results and look for the appropriate source. Select the result from 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗 to continue. Next, scroll through the list available inside 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗗 and look for an overlay that you like. After you find one that matches your preference, press it to open the overlay page. Once the overlay page is open, press the download button to download the overlay onto your device. After the download is complete, open Alight Motion on your device. Press Create New Project to start a new project. Adjust the project settings based on your preference. When the settings are ready, select Create Project to create the new project and enter the editing workspace. Inside the new project, press the plus button located below the timeline area to import your footage. Find the footage you want to use and select it so it is added to your timeline. After the footage has been imported, press the plus button again and locate the overlay that you downloaded earlier. Select the downloaded overlay and import it into your timeline. Once the overlay has been added, select the overlay layer to open its available options. In the overlay layer menu, select blending and opacity to access the blending controls. Expand the darken section to view the available blend modes in that category. From the list, choose multiply blend mode and apply it to the overlay layer. You have now completed the process and successfully added the ink splash effect in Alight Motion. The overlay remains on the timeline above the footage, creating the intended visual ink splash effect throughout playback.